Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parrying. So, the Jedi. G3 here, is that interesting? Maybe A4 and A5. Knight C4, Bishop C1, okay. Knight D4, B3. Bishop B2, I'm getting back into the position. Bishop B2. What's that? F4 coming up. Queen E2, F4. F4 immediately. Put the king over here. Away from the diagonal. Alright, okay. Can I get F5 in? Maybe C4 as well. C4 is interesting. Or F5. Or Queen H5. That looks fairly dangerous. That's one way to protect the c-pawn. Okay, Knight C2, Knight E2, Knight E2, Knight C3 after. What about F5? Is F5 coming up here? Knight takes E5, F6. I think F5 could actually be dangerous coming up here. Okay, I'll take that, extends the bishop. Oh, he's got rook. Hang on, rook D2 looks remarkably dangerous. Hang on, there's bishop E5, that could be useful. He's got E3 coming up if I'm not careful. Ah.
Check.
Okay, this is getting very tricky. Is that Knight C3? Can I get to play Knight C3? Bishop F6 and Knight E4. It's all pretty dangerous. Take this guy off first before doing anything. Very tricky. Can I break through with A5? I know I've just lost the key pawn. But A5, try and break through. Check, check. G4, G5. I think this thing. Ah, hang on. He's relinquished the D file. That can be my chance to pounce. G5 here. He might have Knight E4, but let's ignore that. Is he really going to do that? He might do. I've got G6, surely. Even G6 immediately. Takes and then G6. G6 immediately threatens rook. That doesn't actually threaten anything. He's got the bishop. Okay, play G6 here. Rook D8, bishop F8. I'm not getting anything. I can get this E3 pawn at least. Okay. I find myself pawn down again. Tough. Okay, let's give him pawn back.
Check.
And rook B6. Oh, hang on, this check is really mega dangerous. Has he just won a piece? Rook B7 check, bishop F4, bishop D6. Oh, have I got rook D8? Does that save things? Crikey. Maybe check bishop F4, there's no bishop D6. This is getting extremely tricky, to say the least.
Check.
G5, rook F4, is that ending okay? I'm hoping it's okay. Right, king F5 to step out of the pin. It's not going into a disaster, is it? King F3 might be safer. Except I lose another pawn. Great. Pawn down again. That's all what I wanted. Pawn down again. Hang on.
Check.
There's a tactic here. Rook G7.
Check. Check.
Is this actually winnable or not?
Draw.
Or losable? I can probably just lose this. He's offered a draw. I think it's a fair thing. Alright, yeah, I've been grovelling in this game. It's terrible. I'll take a draw. Yeah, it seems to be just better at the moment, yes.
Check.
He's just better. Yep, he's just infiltrated my position. Oh man, this is tough stuff. I thought I was going to get something here. But
Check.
alas, I'm in big trouble still.
Check.
Yeah.
Check.
I'm... This... Oh, actually, he's +3 there.
Check.
Bishop E7 apparently. Oh no, he's getting the thing. He's getting the piece, isn't he? Jeez, man.
Check.
Oh man.
Check.
Oh,
Check.
tough game. That is a good move anyway to get the pawn back. Oh man, tough game. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.